Hey guys, Jeremiah here, and I'm gonna be playing some. Wait, what's this game called? It's Super Smash Flash demo. So let's see how good I am. This is not the first time I played it. This is actually about the 30th. I played it a lot, so I don't really know. So solo has training in stadium. I'm not gonna do that. When you press group, it does brawl. I'll do that in just a second. Vault is the SSF2 intro. It's the intro of the game. Data, you can do your data. You can clear your data, import your data, or export your data. And options, sound, you can turn the music all the way down or a little up. Turn the sound down, which is the sound of your characters. And the voice, at the end of the game, there's this voice or whatever. So yeah, man, this is a big piece of gum. So quality, so low is like that, medium is that. I like to keep it on high because it's like that. And controls, you can do P1, P2, P3, and P4. I don't know how to work these that much. And I don't know how there can be a P2, but whatever. So I'm just on P1, and yeah, I'm gonna be. Oh yeah, and there's rules. You can do the time limit, the stock, damage radio, item frequency. Put it to high. There's very high. There's very high, high, medium, and low, and very low, and off. So yeah, I'll just put it to very high so you guys can know what items there are. I mean, I can show you in here, but it would take a lot of time. Start damage. 2, I guess. I'll put team damage on. So I'm gonna brawl. So there's free for all, which lets you battle whichever character you want, and then there's teams. Now, if I do this, then it won't work. I'll just have one team, and they'll be on the same team. So I have to change the flag. And so I'll do that. And okay. And then you press spacebar to fight, to get ready to fight. So the controls are, gotta show you my keyboard here. So O and P are both, oh wait, you can't see. Okay, right there. O and P are, so O is special move and P is attack. So A, W, and D and S are to move. So A is to move that way. A is to move left. D is to move right. W is to jump. And S is to crouch down like that. Yeah, something like that. Oh yeah. I is your shield, and U is grab. So when you get close to a character, character, I call them characters, you can press U, and then you'll grab them. And then right when you press U, let go of U, and keep on pressing P to keep on attacking them. You can't press O though when you're grabbing them, because I don't know Okay, I'll do random world. Okay, let's see here. Yoshi! I'm good at this. Come on. Oh my god. Wait, oh god. Oh god. Oh god. He's at me. He's at me. Oh my god. Wait, I forgot to do teams. Wait, did I? No, I didn't. Wait, who's on my team, who's not? Okay, he's definitely not on my team. Wait, I'm on the green team? Awesome. So I gotta beat the blue guys. Okay. Found out who I'm supposed to battle. Sometimes it gets me confused. Oh, man. So I'm not that good with Yoshi, but I am good with some characters. I'm good with characters like Mario. I'm good with that guy right there. That just attacked me. I forgot his name. It's so confusing. And I'm also good with someone else. I forgot her. I mean his name. Wow, I'm so. Oh my gosh. So I'll just skip past this. Oh. Okay, green team. Wow, thanks. Wow. Thanks for the support. Wow. So I'll show you what I can do with Mario. Enough with the Goku stuff. I'll do Mario and Peach. Wait, no. Peach, Sonic, and Tails right there. So it's like Mario versus Sonic, Peach versus Tails. Mario, Sonic. So I do that a lot sometimes. It's pretty awesome. Oh yeah, and I'm good with Sonic. I almost forgot his name. He's my favorite character out of all these. Well, out of all the characters in the game. Oh yeah, and when you get the smash ball, when you get the smash ball, press O to do your special attack. Boom! Yeah, I'm good at Mario. I'm good at Mario. Shield! Oh my god. What kind of idiot would place that there in the middle of the oh my god? I'm just gonna do that all day long. Like an idiot. No, I'm not. And by the way, I'm Mario. That was hopping on top of the thing. See, I'm doing it right now. Right there. I am that dude right there. That's hopping on the thing like a complete idiot. Not that I am. Because I'm not. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I hate it when that happens. Such buddy. Oh my god. This gets harder and harder every day. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Just gotta relog into it. I guess that's the end of the video because I did one game and I showed you the controls. So, okay, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. I have to do this all over again!